In the realm of Forex trading, misconceptions can lead to unrealistic expectations and ultimately disappointment for beginners. Many fall for the flashy lifestyle showcased on social media, believing that trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. However, the truth is far from what meets the eye. In this video, we will unravel the realities of Forex trading, debunking 5 common myths that often mislead aspiring traders. Watch the entire video to learn what these trading myths are. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Social media may paint a picture of overnight success, but in reality, Forex trading is a gradual process. Rather than aiming to become a millionaire in a week, focus on continuous learning and steady progress. Starting with a small capital, expect to make modest gains around 5 to 10% per month. Be patient, avoid the hype, and prioritize your education for long-term success. You can start trading with any amount of money. Contrary to the belief that substantial capital is required to begin trading, you can start with as little as $10 or $50. See the broker that I use in the description box below. The key is to start small and develop the skills to manage your trades effectively. Consider starting with a funded account or depositing a small amount to get started. Successful trading is not about starting big. It's about learning, managing risks, and gradually growing your account. Don't be a slave to your screens. While trading demands attention, it doesn't mean you must be glued to your screens all day. Depending on your trading style, such as scalping or day trading, you can trade for shorter durations and then step away. Allocate your trading hours wisely, focusing on the best trading sessions that align with your strategy. Forex trading involves risk, but it's manageable. It's true that trading carries risks, but no business venture is entirely risk-free. Embrace risk with a disciplined approach. Just like a skilled driver handles a car better, becoming a proficient trader requires time and practice. Master your trading strategy, accept that losses are part of the game, and implement a proper risk management plan. With a win rate of 50% or above, you can still make consistent profits. There's no magical 100% winning trading strategy. The idea of a perfect trading strategy that always wins is a myth. In reality, even the most successful traders have a mix of winning and losing trades. The key to profitability is understanding your strategy's win rate and combining it with sound risk management. With a winning percentage of just 50% or slightly more, you can still make money consistently. As you embark on your Forex trading journey, it's crucial to dispel common misconceptions that could hinder your progress. Avoid falling for the illusion of quick riches and instead focus on learning, managing risk, and developing a winning trading strategy. Remember that trading is a gradual process, and success comes with patience, discipline, and a commitment to continuous improvement. So let go of the myths, equip yourself with knowledge, and step into the world of Forex trading with confidence. That's all for today's video. If you found this update informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.